Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolls using an easy method. First, you'll want to gather your ingredients, including about 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 10 grams of active dry yeast, and 250 milliliters of warm milk. Begin by combining your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Then, gradually incorporate the warm milk, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. This initial step is crucial for developing the gluten. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. This first rise develops flavor and texture. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Then, turn it out onto your work surface and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Take each piece and shape it into a smooth, round roll, tucking the edges underneath to create a nice, tight surface. Consistency in shaping ensures even baking. Now, arrange your perfectly shaped rolls in a greased baking pan, leaving about 1 inch of space between each one to allow for expansion. Cover the pan loosely with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel and let them undergo a second rise for 30 to 45 minutes. They should look noticeably puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color on top. A quick brush with melted butter after baking adds shine and flavor. Once your rolls are out of the oven and still warm, brush them generously with a little melted butter. This step adds a lovely sheen, enhances the flavor, and keeps the crust wonderfully soft. These homemade rolls are best enjoyed fresh and warm, straight from the oven, alongside your favorite dinner or as a delightful snack. They are incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, which come with a lifetime warranty and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.